Hey there, welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you that how to turn TikTok notification off. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, how to turn TikTok notification off? First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app, click on the profile icon, click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner, click on settings and privacy. Now you have to scroll this bar and click on notification. If you want to turn off your notification in app notification, if you want to don't get notification who like your videos, who is commenting you, who is direct messaging you, you have to push that notification off. And if you are scheduling your notification, then you don't want to schedule, then put it off. In this way you will not get notification of specific thing like comments, likes, and you will also not get notification of whole your activities. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.